So here at Wilkins, this is our laydown facility. It's where we do all our maintenance and whatnot, so store machines. This is our generator. We've got a 80 kVA 6 BT Cummins generator in here. This is what we call our Herman Hut, so it's what we call it. Keep all our Herman Nelsons and gear that we use to keep machines warm and get snow out of stuff, etc. This one's a parts container, so we've got all the parts for all our breakdowns of machines we have up here, filters, etc. And the little 10-footer on the back, that's a slings and lifting container with all ropes and bits and bobs. And down the far end, we have the workshop. So it's not a very big building, and our mechanic does very well to do as many services and breakdowns as he does with such limited facilities. So let's pop in and have a quick look. So over here we've got your workbench with all your normal tooling and bits and bobs that you're going to need. Got grab kits, stuff like that, all shifters. Got some spare batteries, random parts, the old pedestal drill, welder if things really go pear-shaped. A bit of a workbench back here. Got extraction on the roof for exhaust, which is great. Jacks, straps, all the good stuff. Generators we keep in here. Got dunnage, rags to clean up any mess, some spare parts, and we separate all our waste accordingly, and then it gets either incinerated or returned to Australia. None of that happens up here at Wilkins. So as you can kind of tell, the doors are quite small. We can't fit many machines in here. The only things we actually can fit in here for servicing are the quad tracks and the loaders and the skid steer. All the dozers, all the snow groomers have to be serviced outside, which makes it all a bit tougher. All their oils, bits and bobs, the big master heater which we use when it gets pretty cold in here through the winter. We use that to melt out our snow blowers and keep the operation running. So that's the workshop. So this is inside our parts container. It's pretty full at the moment. Got some spare tyres here, but got all the goodies. Plenty of filters, bolts, shear pins for snow blowers, and all the random odds and ends you might need when you're living in the middle of Antarctica operating machinery. So plenty of good stuff here. Spare winches for floats and trailers and all that sort of stuff. Cabling, blizz covers, more filters, over-ass and parts for the snow blowers, Haglund parts, road wheels. If it breaks, our mechanic's got a pretty good chance of fixing it. So inside here we have our Herman Hut. This has got the huffer, so this is a backup power unit for the A319 jet that comes down. We've got all our random small engines, generators, chainsaws, Herman piping, all that sort of stuff all lives in here. And over here we have our Herman Nelsons. So I use these to keep airplane engine warm and de-blizz machinery, etc, etc. So good little hut, and they're the big black snake straps that we use to move our buildings with. So that's what's in this one. And then last but not least, we've got the generator. So we have the same sort of system over at camp, but it has two generators in it. This one's only a singular unit. Well, that concludes our little walk around of the laydown. Thanks for tuning in. Always keen to show you sort of what we got here and what we do. It's just starting to snow now, so can't wait to deal with that mess that's about to be made. So it's going to be good. Not far from Packdown now, so we'll get out of here.